Hi, instructor, how are you? My name is Fernando Gonzalez, and you know that this video is for showing you how I was working on my challenge 2. I decided to work in a web application about Pokemon team. I have launched. This is the application. I am using gradients and transitions, and I am using CSS grid for this uh, container. So if I click the Let's Go button, is brings me to another, well, the same page. So in this um, select, I can choose the Pokemon that I want. I don't know, maybe more than 1,000 here. So first, if I try to click the add button with no Pokemon selected, it will mean the message because it's validating the input field of the name and also the telling me that I need to choose a Pokemon. So I'm trying to we try to put the name. This is my name, and now I will try to choose a Pokemon. Okay, play me a target with some data about the Pokemon, HP, attack, and defense. So I click add, showing me a pre-formation of the team. So I will try to select another one. Okay, and this one. Now I have this button. If I click, it save the team. Okay, and here it's showing me the teams with their name respectively. And if I if I click one of the team, it's showing me this model window. I added this button in order to go back, but I have also this buttons for edit or delete this um, Pokemon. So if I click in this target, this deleting deleting from for the team, but because I didn't save, it's showing me again the whole team. So if I click here and I click on save button, okay, it's saving the teams correctly. I'm going to try to delete this team. Okay, now it's deleting this team. So this is a very quickly overview about my application. I have here my first challenge. This is a I use a very similar code for writing and getting from the local storage. I will try to enter a tag here and showing me the task. I can select and must and show only the okay, only the well I consider that I need to work a little bit more in this challenge because I when I submitted there were many things that I didn't, and I would like to fix it. So answering the questions in this self-evaluation, I think that I'm not perfect with JavaScript or maybe master in the models that we read and we study during this semester, but I try to do my best applying the best concepts. For example, in this challenge, I try to use a model, JavaScript model. In this case, is a init file, and I imported in a class. The class is Pokemon. In this class, I have all the methods for displaying, render, and creating targets. I have method for events in order to select and work on my functionality of the application. I have also a file for utilities in which when I have the functions in order to uh, um, write in local storage, delete and remove, and also for getting from the local storage. I also have this function for hiding the model pop-up, this model. So um, okay, talking about this second question, becoming more dexterous on exploring your environment. Students successfully find the answer on their what if. Well, I tried to during this semester to find the question that I didn't get from the book or the resources, because sometimes that was very difficult for me understanding all the concept on the same website or the same chapter in the book. But talking about this outcomes, student, well, I need to work a little bit more on my mobile application design, because I, in fact, I am sending this application with many details that I need to work still, but I will be working on these details maybe tomorrow. Was my first blockers during this semester was the lack of time, and this is why I am sending this application in this way. So in general, I consider that my rate and I don't know how to say it. Maybe my position in this line could be 3. Of course, there is a lot of things that I even need to improve, but I consider that I learn a lot of things, and I try to meet with my team always, and I try to improve my knowledge and my best way to do the things and develop the code. So, well, I'm sorry because I now I am in 7 minutes in this video. Um, well, have a good night.